guys, first of all, sorry if the quality is weird and you hear scratchy sounds. From the title, I'm sure you guys can see, I ended up getting a Note 8, a Galaxy Note 8. It's a very expensive phone, but I got a used one. I went out to dinner with my husband and his coworkers, and I guess I went on like some sort of rant about really wanting this phone, and yeah, the guy who like manages the place got me like a huge discount on a used one, but it's honestly like I've been peeling plastic off of it for a while now. Like it's brand new. I don't think it was used at all. So yeah, I'm really excited about this, and the whole reason I really wanted this phone, I never would have bought this for myself just for this, because I was kind of right. Like the reason I didn't want to buy this phone and like try to use it for lots of art stuff was because it's so small. You know, well, it's a huge phone. Oops, I went back. Go back and edit. It's a huge phone and it's not like super convenient, but honestly, I couldn't turn it down for such a low price. But yeah, so I've been playing with it, and this is the app that I kind of got into, mostly for the screen tone gimmick, because, you know, who doesn't like a good screen tone, I guess. But it's very fun to use. I tried Sketchbook Pro as well, and that was fun, but like not as fun as this. But yeah, so you have pretty much everything you could possibly need, but you know, not really all that much like bloating and like random stuff. So yeah, I guess I'll just kind of go over it a little bit. But you can switch your like pencil to an eraser right here, and then you go here if you want to like actually change your tool. If you want to go into your brush, you just click on the brush, and you have to have it selected. But if you go back, you can have all these brushes, and this is the paid version of this app, I guess. I think it's like $4. But it just takes away the ads. Like there's usually an ad at the top here, but you know, if you buy it, the ad goes away, and then some of these brushes, you know, none of them are like actually locked, but you have to watch an ad to get them all to unlock for 18 hours. So you don't have to buy this, but I just like having the no ad up there. But yeah, so that's how you get to your brushes and like all the options, and then oh my god, you can go into your brush settings from here? Okay, well, shit, I'm still learning, so I just learned that. That's sick. Okay, so I guess you can go into all your settings right here, and then you can pick your color, and you can use different like types of slider wheels. You have the like typical color wheel, that brings this menu up and down, and then your layer panel with all, like, you can clear your layer. Sorry, this pencil can just go here. Yeah, you can invert your layer colors, you can move the layer. I'm not sure what that does. It's not like a move tool, I don't think. Flip your layer horizontally, flip it vertically, merge down, and garbage. You can pick how the background is. You can what is this? Invert layer, invert canvas. Oh, okay, so the whole canvas. And this is add special layer. I have no idea what a special layer does. Yeah, I wasn't really expecting to review it, but like I found all these things just by using it, so the more I use it, the more I'll find stuff, I'm sure. Just because you run into different things you need. And so far there's been everything I could need on here. So yeah, you can lock your layer, alpha lock, and then you can clip the layer, which is fucking awesome because like a lot of drawing apps don't have that. You have all your layer modes, and then if you want to use screen tones, you go into the screen tone mode, and it's like, it's so dope. Like, it's freaking cool. All you do, oh my god, you know what? Let me just do a little tutorial. So basically, you pick your color. This is the easiest way to do it, I think. You could also just have like a thing to pick colors from on the side, but I just think it's faster to do it this way. So you color in your guy, like we'll say he's pink and orange and blue, and you know, he's got arms, he's got dark arms. This is a pretty cool guy. Here's his eyes, beautiful. Okay, so you have your guy, and then you just go in here and convert it to screen tone. And you can pick whichever one you want, but the tutorial I watched was using L8 and then shading with L6. So that's just what I do. But you see, it like converts all the colors into screen tone for you. It's like, it's so epic. It's just annoying because you can't color pick the color. Oh, you get the color pick. This is like amazing. The shortcuts are all so like, so useful. So you just hold the brush down to get the color picker. And it will, you know, you can be really precise with it. You can hold it. And to undo, you tap once with 2 fingers, and to redo, you tap once with 3 fingers. So yeah, that's the coolest thing about this so far. And like, if you draw some more, oh, I'm on white. That's why. So you pick your color, you know, and you just draw, and it's just screen tone. It's epic. And like, even if you go lighter, you know, it doesn't show up immediately while you're drawing, but like, I think that's fine. Yeah, what else? There's like smudge tools, there's soft, oh my god, look at this. Let's go here, because now I know I can do that. But if I go here and I do a soft, like, okay, you can't tell. See, look, it's, all the edges are like soft and they're not ugly. I don't know, it's just really cool. Like, it looks so good. But yeah, that's like this app's gimmick, which is why I decided to go with this one. Well, it's one of the first ones I tried and I really liked it, so I just kind of stuck with it. And up here there's like weird like templates that you can, like built-in textures basically, I guess. You can like just, oh, there's like a bunch in the set. Wow, you could be a mangaka or a mangaka. We'll put it in. Yeah, looks good. Oh, it's not in screen tone mode. What if I put it in screen tone mode? Oh my god, that's epic. Alright, but yeah, this app is really cool. Then you go here and you've got your rulers. Don't know what that, oh, okay, that's sick. And then symmetry. What's that? Wow, all these things. Are you kidding me? Amazing. What's that? Oh, the stabilizer, the force fade. Wow. Oh my god, I didn't look through these yet. Clear layer, all this stuff, there's copy and paste. Amazing. This app is so solid. So it's like, it's kind of like, it looks like simple and not that great, but it's got everything you need, and no extras, because I don't like it when there's too much stuff in here. But yeah, that was my little rant, I guess. This phone has like Wacom technology in it, I guess, so like you can hover the pen over and see your cursor, and like, it's all very nice. Like the pen pressure is very, it's just, oh, you can't see, I have to use a normal layer. Let's make one, we'll just grab a normal brush, but like you can see here, oh, we're not on it, we're still on the same layer. Yeah, it's like really dope. This is like kind of a weird brush. Oh yeah, it's definitely a weird brush. There we go. Let's try and use this one. Oh, this is like a sketching one. What about this one? Oh, I'm not at the top. Okay, that's why. Okay, here we go. There we go. See, it's like press hard and then not hard and then hard and then not hard, and like it's, I mean, it's not looking too great because I'm forcing it. There you go. You can see it's like lovely. And this is with the stabilizer off. Let's try and turn it on. Yeah, like, tell me that's not amazing. Like, it has everything. It's so cool. And it's been very stable, very reliable. It's never crashed on me. It saves all of my recordings. And at this point, like, there's a lot because I've been playing with this. But yeah, my laying in the bath and drawing dream finally came true. Yep, this phone is, I would say it's definitely worth the hefty price tag. I mean, man, I would never, like, buy such a crazy phone. It's, like, crazy. Yeah, sorry if you guys heard that. Someone texted me. Yeah, I guess that's it. Like, I don't know. I really wanted to do a little video, on this phone and this app and stuff, because I'm sure you guys realize it's crazy. You know, Christmas coming around, don't really have that much time, but all I feel like doing is, like, doodling on this phone, so why not make a video out of it? So yeah, there'll be like a speed paint at the end of this. It's kind of short, which is why I didn't want to just leave the video as that. But yeah, there's just me drawing. I started it at work and then I finished it at home. Yeah, it's just very easy and comfortable, and the pen just kind of slides into the bottom and you literally can't tell where it is. It's like flush and not in the way, and it's well clicked in there, like it's not just gonna fall out. Like you can't get it out without pulling it out. Like you click it and that makes it stick out, and then you have to like pull it out, and you have to, you know, kind of hard. Like you cannot do it by accident. You have to do it on purpose. But yeah, okay, I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this little phone review. Maybe I'll do a more in-depth one later. I mean, I'll definitely, if I find more programs, like for sure, I'm gonna do a little video on them. So maybe you guys who have an Android device, doesn't necessarily have to be this phone, because you can still use these apps. You just won't have the like pen pressure, but they have built-in pen pressure, so you're probably still fine trying them. So if you have any random Android phone, just go get this app and download it, and you know, it'll taper out your brush strokes for you, which is, it's just fun. Like, it's fun to draw on your phone. Alright, I'm done. I'm done rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and yeah, enjoy the little speed paint at the end.